Hello guys, I welcome you to the S2R show, and today is 31st of May, so we'll see how much profit we have made in our Demat accounts. So for 2 months, April and May, so we'll log in. So we are trading in two accounts, Zerodha and Angel Broking. So I'll show you. So first we'll log in. First we'll log into the Angel Broking. Meanwhile, we can log into the Zerodha account as well. So every month we see the profit made. So for the month of April we had posted the video where we showed you the performance outcome of all the accounts. We will go to futures and options. So as you all know that we are trading futures and options mostly. So we'll go to profit and loss, because this is for 21-22, so this is for 2 months. And so you can see the amount here. It is around 1,08,000. 1,08,000, and then we'll see if we have done something in equity. Around 10,000 here. 120. 120. Nothing should be here. Nothing should be here in currency. Okay, then we'll $120, and then we have this another account, Zerodha account. So we can go to reports, profit and loss. Okay, let's start with equity, no problem. So we'll see from 1st of May. No, we'll see from 1st of April. So in equity, no trade, almost no trade. Future and option combined from 1st of May, 53,000. So 120 plus 50, around 170. And then we have another account. Then we have another account. So this is the other account. So let's start from equity. So equity, we have around 10,000 profit here. FNO, this is for 2022. So 170%, 180. And then this 20,000 in FNO, 2 lakh. Should be here, and nothing should be here. So this is around 2 lakh profit for April and May. Thank you very much guys, and stay connected. We are regularly posting the trades we take, so we tell you what we do. We have also a Telegram channel. You can also join us on Telegram. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.